My name is Greg Eifert. I'm the director of LG Sonic US, and today we have with us Felipe Contreras. He's principal engineer for Kleinfelder. We're founded 10 years ago and currently have projects running in more than 55 countries. We have over 20 years of research and development in cooperation with multiple European universities. Our goal is to reduce chemical usage in municipal and drinking water applications, industrial and recreational.
So the Pequannock Water Treatment Plant is owned by the City of Newark Water and Sewer Utilities. It's located in West Milford, New Jersey. It provides water around 500,000 people, and it has 5 reservoirs. 2018, we had Echo Lake, an algae count of around 2,000, treated with coupled sulfate. In 2019, I don't have it here in the slide, but we had another episode. Again, it was treated. And then in October of 2019, we had another episode at Canister, where the cyanobacteria identified was 8.7 million cells, pretty dense. With that, the state put out an RFP to competitive request for proposals to conduct improvements to the algal bloom, harmful algal bloom problems that we're having in New Jersey. We came across a study that was done in 2014 by LG Sonic with one of our experts. He recommended to look into this technology. So we looked into it. We have the ultrasonic wave that creates a barrier, so the algae can't go up to get the sun, and then it just dies in the bottom. Without the treatment, the algae is able to go up and down. Literature review and some project experiences indicate that this technology can eliminate up to 90% of the blooms, prevent new blooms, maximize effectiveness through real-time frequency adjustments. I'm going to go into this a little bit in depth because that's the most important value that we're getting right now. With all this in mind, we prioritize Echo Lake. We deployed 6 units there, 1 in Canister, and we are going to deploy 1 in Charlottesburg in 2021. We got the units delivered, all packed, ready. We went into the lake. This is the deployment, the boat ramp where we deploy the units. I'm going to show you a little bit of the system right now. In here, this is the home page, and this is what you would see. So this is last reading is 11 a.m. this morning. So these are the chlorophyll A and the phycocyan. We have the 6 units in Echo Lake. If we want to go to a little bit information, you just click in the unit, right-click in the unit, and let's look at the current parameters. We can also see the water quality parameters. So far, we can consider this project a success. We didn't have an algal bloom this year, and we're going to validate this information and make sure that we have the right data at the end.
I'm going to go through a couple other brief case studies in a couple other industries. NIPSCO is a power plant near Chicago that was having TSS issues. Algae can be a big component in TSS. Just a quick slide of 2018, 2019. Our system was deployed in March of 2019, and their compliance was they had a daily limit of 15 parts per million and 30. Or daily of 30 and a monthly average of 15. After they deployed our system for the balance of 2019 and 2020, they had successfully dropped their TSS to less than 2 parts per million. Another case study was American Water. This was actually our first project in the U.S. They did a highly detailed study as far as how the system performed and potential savings, and they determined they had a return on investment of 1.8 years for our system. And that had to do with chemical savings and filter backwash and changeouts. Since then, American Water has 5 other facilities online with our system, and we're actually deploying in January 4 more reservoirs in the New York City area for American Water. Felipe, again, thanks, and appreciate everyone attending.